There was a time si Maricel ay trying to be the perfect girl for Anthony Panghilinan. Wala pong Donnie Panghilinan sa ngayon kung hindi dahil sa mag-asawang ito. Their relationship, being together as a family for 30 years. Narinig niyo po yan, 30 years. So what does that mean, Breelers? My forever. Posible talaga. Pero alam niyo rin po na based sa mga interviews nilang mag-asawa, there was a time, lalo na nung bago pa lang sila ikasal, na itong si Maricel ay trying to be the perfect girl for Anthony Panghilinan. So she pretended to be somebody else just so that she could please si Anthony Panghilinan. And right after the wedding, slowly, syempre, hindi mo naman na makokontrol. You will always go back to who you are. So si Maricel Laksa showed her truth. And of course, nakikita din yan ni Anthony Panghilinan. At some point, the relationship almost failed. Si Maricel Laksa felt that I am not this, I am no longer happy because I'm just trying to please you. And thank God for God's guidance and support in their relationship. They're still together after 30 years. Again, Breelers, sila ay normal na mga tao din, and this couple is somebody who's constantly working about their relationship. In fact, they said na their relationship is grounded with the teachings of the Lord. So Bible-based and very open ang mag-asawa na ito about the wisdom that they are constantly sharing to the netizens.